I'm in a book. I'm in a book. Oh my gosh, I'm in a book. So let me tell you the story about this. A few years ago, ConvertKit reached out to me to share my story. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to Isa Adney and Henry Thong. Listen, we are here. First, they released a podcast on my story. Then 2 years later, they came to Dallas and filmed an amazing documentary that I felt was life-changing, because seeing my story just packaged together in such a way was just mind-blowing to me. And oh my gosh, now it's in a book. It's in the I Am a Creator book, which is a book that they publish every so often. It's 16 true stories of remarkable people earning a living, doing work that they love. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. I can't imagine. I cannot imagine. Oh my gosh. So my story starts on, I think it's page 194. 194. Oh my gosh. It says online video coach XayLi Barclay learned the best lessons from her grandma, including one about the limitless potential of a creator. My grandmother really taught me that you can make money from your hand, or whatever is inside of you, your skills, your talents. And I don't take that for granted, because it's literally what I do today. Find out how giving 110% to everything led her to creative possibilities she didn't even know existed. Why is this so important to me? I just literally got off of a live stream, and in that live stream there was someone in there. His username was web video and so he probably was subscribed to my YouTube channel and just ended up on the live stream connecting and communicating. And he walked away and I guess Googled and came back into the chat and said, oh my gosh, I just Googled you. Are you doing this all alone? Is it just you and Rio, or do you have a team of people behind you? Guys, I started this with $1 and a dream, basically, right? I started this and I'm in a book now. I'm in a book now. Oh my gosh. And there's a few pages of my full story. There's way more pictures. I'm so excited. I am so excited. My husband and I, listen, it's been a wild journey. It's been a wild journey. If you're looking on, you know, one of the things that I love to say that I really got from just my journey is hurry up and fail, right? And I will continue saying that, because success is made up of lots of little failures. And being in an actual book is super exciting for me. Oh my gosh. And there are so many amazing people in here. There's so many amazing stories in here. I'm just really blessed. I can't believe it. I'm in a book, guys. I'm in a book. I'm in a book. I'm in a book. Thank you, ConvertKit. It's been such a dream working with you on this project. Thank you to your team. Thank you to all of you. I do not take this for granted. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Oh my gosh. Someone wake me up from this dream. I might be dreaming. I gotta pinch myself. I love you guys. Bye.